made it happen, it was awesome. So it's not just us.
Alright, Sony, bon, en question pour vous.
Bon.
Excusez-moi, question ça.
On va faire souhait encore là.
Non, possible.
Ou dit Sony, pas Sweetie, ou dit là.
Whoa, okay.
Posez.
Wait a minute.
Bon,
C'est ça me donne. Oh,
oui,
elle ça monsieur dit.
second bar pour dire pour choisir gâteau campé.
Merci.
C'est un style ça, même qu'on est bon. En tout cas, Sony, question pour vous, man.
Oui.
Le fait que vous avez un groupe tellement monde qui suit vous sur Facebook, parce que moi parfois alors mettez en vidéo et dans moins 1 hour ou game thousands of followers. Lorsque choisit musique et pour danser, est-ce que pour qu'on gagne quelques jazz compas qui approchent qui disent ça bon et pour aider avec promotion pour choisir musique parce que moi bon je vais pas citer non jazz parce que je vais pas faire publicité pour ne pas payer pour ça.
Allez avec eux.
Parce que moi quelques jazz qui pour qu'on gagne non et quelques jazz qui gagne last name as T jazz. Moi comprends musique et puis moi musique pousser parce que moi connais pile monde qui regarder à cause de popularité et qui fait que musique ça gagne toute vue ça sur Facebook. Est-ce que j'aime approcher pour promotion et pour aider au pousser dans coup de sa publicité payante pour payer pour dire ça voilà et Sony prochaine musique pour prendre son musique par nous pareil pour qu'on jazz comme ça qui approche ou non.
Bon, nous gagne pas en pile, mais nous gagne un peu qui approche nous, qui mande nous men, nous remet ça fait avec vidéo ça, nous gagne musique à venir. Nous devons pousser ça. Soit nous gagnons, mais nous pas parler l'argent avec eux parce que nous toujours. Bon, année passée c'était première fois, un artiste jamais approché nous dire ça, me remet ça faire. Et puis lui même les aller sur Facebook, même pas c'était non.
Non, c'était non.
Bon,
moi même pas citer non, je vais payer.
No, ou gen liberté. You have your freedom to say.
Yeah, of course you can.
One of my board members is here. He told me no, so I'm not gonna say that. Okay, but nous gagnons artistes, les mêmes les aller sur Facebook et li dit ça que man, me remet ça mouvement y a fait, me remet en pile. I'll support you, I'll suivre you. And it was crazy because avant ça nous t'a fait dans sous musique pas de monde qui vient approcher nous sur ça mais ça nous même nous fait nous aller en dehors ça nous qu'on fait out of the ordinary kind of thing and then so we pull people who wouldn't normally dance compas to that artist's music so les ouais blanc chinois l'autre monde a dansé sur musique là bon okay me remet ça ça fait this dude is serious he's making something happen so when he came to us when he went and shared that on us ça te fait nous plaisir un peu. And then we have other artists, upcoming artists, who went and they send us messages saying, hey, we would love for you to, here's a song, we would love for you to do something to this. But we have one board that is still formulating, we're still working out pricing. Pour j'en fait bagaille, mais nous pourquoi je demande mon yo, hey, mais l'argent, si vous voulez nous faire ça, mais combien vous payez?
All right. I mean, so far, so good. I mean, I love all the questions that, saying Amanda and Will ask you. But me, I'm just going to go straight business with you.
Business, okay.
You're doing this for fun, but at the same time, you want to make a profit because you're talking about you have a board. And I know all those people, they're not just working just because they don't have anything to do. They just want to work for free. Yeah. So how do you plan to use that, like, to come on business, like, parce que je connais un pile haïtien par aimer payer pour promotion, par aimer toujours demander des faveurs. They say, yo man, do me a favor, use my music. So comment on peut faire pour get serious with those guys? Be like, you know what, this is a business. If you want this is a a formality. This is like application pour remplir tout comme ça. Comment on peut faire pour pas business avec haïtien, knowing that how people are.
Bon, like with any business. Especially when you're CEO, if people could come to you directly, sometimes you can't say no, so you're willing to bend prices or do for free if you can. So, ça nous même nous fait, ça nous parle comment c'est fait, nous commencer faire nous gagnons un website. Avant nous capable venir parler avec nous direct, you aller dans website pour joindre information, après you joindre information, nous fait connaître mais combien ça qu'a fait. Et puis if they agree to it, then they talk to a person that's dedicated to that area. and then before they get to talk to dancers or me or anybody else, they've already been filtered to know if they're really about business or not.
Okay. I know Haitian bands.
Bon.
They could put a video right there. It'll take them months before they get to 40-something thousand likes. But you do that in no time. So when will you be like, you know what? I'm done doing things for free for people. I just want to go straight business. Because right now you have the platform, you have the followers, you have people, watching you, following you. So when will you be like, you know what? This is not a joke anymore. It's business. I mean, ou paye moun pou fè editing, ou gen pil flyer, ou gen tout ba sa. Ça veut dire que ou gen cost nan ba. Ça veut dire ou pas capable continuer à faire des choses gratuites pour des gens comme ça. Et même groupe band haïtien yo comme moi dit que yo kon mette en pile vidéo de yo, puis yo t'a fait 10 000 moun dans un mois son tête chargée. Yo relé depuis ces moun dit comme ça partager like. But you and your crew, you guys right now you have the platform. Même comme tu disais là, me dit même ou sur Facebook, il gagne 10 000 vues. L'on lever plus au 25.
Oui.
Trying to be Sony's friend.
For all these guys, all the bands, business owners, everybody watching right now. So right now, this is the Sony, the businessman.
That's right.
I mean, the Sony that wants to get paid for what he's doing.
Yes,
that's right.
I've seen you on the streets, New York. I've seen you everywhere. You're doing this, and I hope people don't think this is something that you're doing just like parce que board là ka ou bagan pour faire. Comment dire, l'ouvrier qui travaille mérite son salaire. Son travail faut toucher quoi. Alors right now, we just want you to send that message right now. You're willing to work with people, but they have to be, comme on a dit ça, on minimum requirements.
Yes, minimum.
You know what I'm saying? Donc vous gagnez on cap faire un bail gratis pour monde mais en échange de coup dans l'autre service que monde a fait pour mais complètement gratis là. Il pas faire ça à niveau qu'on y a là, il pas faire ça encore. Si tu as commencé on débutant, tu as commencé mais on fait bagarre bien 50 000 vues, 45 000 vues on débutant quoi qu'on y a. Qu'on y a livré dans le qu'on y a que ou de charger
charger. Bon, ça we came to that point. Nous commençons Westside. Nous gagnons une vidéo sur YouTube qui gagne presque 152,000 views.
Bah ma télé va gagner. Bon.
But when I saw that, man, and then the team right now what's crazy is because we're still trying to build our numbers. Right now we got a lot of views, but our follower count is still pretty low. We want to get to a certain, right now we have different, we call it betas. When different companies, what they do is they have different betas that they go through. And once you meet the goal of this beta, you go to the next beta. Our first beta, we haven't accomplished it yet with is get to a certain number of followers per social media. But après nous finir arriver, nous frapper là. And right now, most of the people that come in are interns who are willing to dance and they just want to do it for fun. Parce que si ça me fait pour fun, me fait pour plaisir. But of course, now that we're doing more events, we're doing tours. This year was our first tour, and a lot of the funds came from out of pocket, And then we not only do the tours, but now we're getting other places that want us to come to events. We got shows that are asking us to come choreograph for different people. So we having those. The people were asking us for those things now, so of course we're gonna be switching to that second beta. But till then, we're still trying to get those numbers up. Après ça, nous commencer East willing to you like this, huh? You like this, huh? So now you gotta pay for it.
Yeah, we have to say it. We have to put it out there, especially for the bands. I think you should support that movement because, in my opinion, if the guys are making people dance to your music, somebody who's not Haitian, when they start listening to your music, they're dancing to it, they may want to, you know what, that song I was dancing to. You start feeling the song, you start loving the song, you want to buy that music. So I think that can be a good thing for the bands themselves if they support your movement because it will benefit them in return.
Yeah, you're so right about that. Sorry, because I've seen on Facebook where like you dancing and they're asking like, what music is
Who's
that?
this music? Bon, I promise you, if you go down all my posts, there's not one post that doesn't say so.
Whose music is that?
I almost want to shoot my head up and hit every time I see that. Who sings this song? Or who sings this music? There's not one post that doesn't have that. But so since I feel if I want to learn someone's culture, I mean, if I don't know the language, of course I can adapt to the music that fast. But if body language is something that's a lot quicker to learn.
Yeah.
You could teach me how to dance, and through learning how to dance, I can appreciate the music a lot more. So look at a lot. Let's say for instance the Nene. If I wanted to, fall in love with that music just by hearing it, I wouldn't care. It wouldn't make sense to me. Stinky Leg, I wouldn't have fell in love with it. Mais danse là lui-même, c'est danse là qui fait musique là qui valait sous lui. So when I see the Stinky Leg, bon, ça fait la m'remen oui. J'ai fait j'aime la m'remen oui. And that makes the dance music more appreciated. So people were willing to buy the song more and let us more happy more. But right now in the compa industry, I hate to say this, but they're only focusing only on Haitians. Why not bring in some other people